Hello and welcome to Garb Studio. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you a quick and easy method for facial retouching with Adobe Photoshop. So, without further ado, let's get started. I've already added the image that needs skin repair or retouching. Duplicate the image layer by pressing Ctrl+J. Change the blending mode from normal to vivid light. Press Ctrl+I to invert the image. Afterward, go to the filter option in the menu bar, choose Other, and select High Pass. Adjust the radius level until the scars are no longer visible, then click OK. Now, go to the filter option in the menu bar again, choose Blur, and select Gaussian Blur. Modify the radius according to your preference and click OK. Now, click on the mask icon under the layer panel while holding the Ctrl key. Select the mask thumbnail, set the foreground color as white, and choose the brush tool from the toolbar. Select the soft round brush and adjust the brush size according to your preference. Now, by brushing over the face, you will reveal the retouched and smoother skin, effectively reducing dark scars and spots. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and informative.